How's it, guys? Yes, I am wearing the same hoodie that I have worn the whole week. I am not going to turn all of my clothes into building clothes, so I will wear this hoodie until the house is built. So today is the last day of sunshine. We need to hustle because we have a full week of rain ahead of us, so we want to cover as much as we can so that this wood doesn't just soak up all the rain. And there is load shedding today between 1 and 3, so there's that happening too. Yay, no power tools for 2 hours. It is time to get going. We ran out of screws yesterday, so Chanel had to drive all the way to Karedo this morning to the salvage shop there to get a whole bunch more secondhand screws. But now we are ready to go. We have enough to finish the house. So let me show you guys what it looks like. So the floor is framed. Look how beautiful that is. The front door is framed. We got all of the loft beams in. How cool is that? That looks amazing. And the roof is framed. We also have cut all of the roof beams. They're hiding in this garage door, which is also our roof. So those will go up today. We're going to finish framing and hopefully get the roof up, maybe some sides, to protect the house as much as possible from the rain. Enter Chanel, stage right. We can actually see our roof, yeah. Got the roof up, yay! How's it, guys? Look at our house. Isn't that wonderful? We have had 2 days of rest with some rainy weather, and today we are back at it. Look at that roof.
This is a house.
Wow.
Everything's nice and dry.
So today we're gonna try and put some sides on and see how far we can get.
Or at least measure them out. So
Yeah.
we can put them on.
Do what we can. The
It's
rain
an
was
easy
forecast to be quite heavy today, but it isn't really doing anything, so we're gonna work
stealing a day.
as much as we can. Gain work days where we can.
There's neighbor John.
Here comes our friendly neighbor John. He's our best friend.
He's gonna like that.
Do you know what size bit that is?
This. It. Cool, man. Thanks, guys.
What is that? How cool. We have a back wall and a roof.
I thought it was a photo. So I thought it was a photo.
Just in time for the rain. It is now raining, so we are packing it in for the day. But look at that, guys.
There's
we
a
have
wall.
we have a house, and everything inside will stay dry. It is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Okay.
Hot tap.